Donald Trump is known for his unpredictable behavior, but his recent decision to sign an order aimed at eliminating the US Department of Education has raised many questions. On March 20, 2025, the president signed an executive order surrounded by school children at the White House, proclaiming, "We are going to shut it down as quickly as possible and return education back to the states." This unexpected announcement has left many questioning what it means for the future of education in America. So first of all, what is the Department of Education? Well, founded in 1979, the Department of Education oversees federal education policies, ensures schools follow anti-discrimination laws, and administers financial aid programs. However, it does not control school curricula, leaving that responsibility to states and local districts. And why is Trump dismantling the Department of Education? Well, for years, Trump has criticized the department, calling it a bloated bureaucracy that wastes taxpayer dollars without improving student success. His recent order to dismantle the agency is part of a larger conservative agenda outlined in Project 2025, aiming for a smaller federal government. What will be the impact on students and educators? Well, eliminating the Department of Education would affect millions of students, especially those from disadvantaged backgrounds. Experts warn that key protections and resources for students, such as special education programs and federal student loans, could be at risk. And that's not all. It could have significant repercussions for Indian students, particularly those pursuing higher education in the US. The Department of Education plays a crucial role in overseeing federal student loans, grants, and ensuring educational standards across institutions. Now, without this oversight, Indian students might face challenges in accessing federal financial aid, such as Pell Grants or student loans, which are often vital for financing their education. So what's next for American education? Now, while this move has sparked widespread debate, its ultimate fate remains uncertain as legal challenges and opposition mount. The future of education policy in the US is now in the hands of lawmakers and courts. But what are your views on this? Do comment and let us know. Till then, keep watching India TV.